Happy holidays! Happy holidays to everybody. Merry Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas,
Happy Hanukkah or Happy Holidays.
Happy holidays. So we appreciate y'all for watching the videos. We're wrapping up another year of shoe reviews, and this year went crazy. We had a lot of good reviews. Looking forward to 2026. So our special gift to y'all, this is y'all Christmas gift. We're dropping the Wolf Gray video, so make sure y'all be on YouTube and watch our video.
It's me, Jay. I haven't been in Shoeroom for 5 months, but I might be coming back. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Peace, y'all. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Hey, roomies, it's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have a banger. I actually really like this shoe, and I'm excited that it's coming back. We have the Wolf Gray 5s. So before we get into the review, you already know I gotta shout out some shoes. We have the 8th video out now, a review and a comparison, so make sure y'all go watch those videos. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I think we're at about 1,700, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. I appreciate the love. And yeah, let's get into the review. All right, so this is the box that it comes in. It says Graphite Wolf Gray. Graphite White Wolf Gray. This is how they come. Comes with a divider. Comes wrapped. The first thing that interests me about this shoe is like the textured nubuck suede. I really like that. It's like wrinkles all over the shoe. It gives the shoe a lot of character. And you can see it's like a lot on the mud guard here. Then for the midsole, we have like a matte wolf gray midsole. Then you can see that air pocket there. With the shark teeth here. We have this embroidered 23 on the lateral heel. This actually is a bit different from the original pair that dropped in 2011. And these are dropping for the 15th anniversary. So this is the first time that this colorway is retro. It's not an original colorway. These first dropped in 2011. Then on the back, we have a embroidered Jumpman. We have these rubber netting on each side. This is the sock lining. Then we have the tongue here. We have the tongue here, another embroidered Jumpman. And then on the inside, it says Air Jordan. We have this plastic lace lock, gray eyelets, and then like light gray laces. They don't come with the lace swap. Then this is the bottom, another favorite part of mine. I like this icy blue sole. It has a Jumpman on the bottom as well. I really like this shoe. This shoe is very clean. These are coming out in full family sizing. The men's pair is about $220 retail, which is crazy because these dropped back in 2011. These shoes were $150. Now it's $220. So these shoes went up $70 in the past 15 years, which, if you really think about it, is not that bad. But yeah, this is a really clean shoe. I like it. I just started liking 5s, to be honest. Like when those metallic 5s dropped, that was my first pair of 5s ever, and I love those shoes. And then I went and got the Raging Bull 5s. I bought that off of somebody. So ever since then, I just really been liking 5s, and I really like these shoes. These shoes actually dropped 10 days before my birthday. They dropped January 10th. So this is definitely gonna be an early birthday gift to myself. This is a clean shoe. I like the detail on it. It's not, even though it's like kind of basic colors, I like that they come with this textured material. And like I said, these are dropping January 10th. And Nike is like honestly dropping like a fire shoe. Like these Wolf Grade 5s are gas for sure. So off rip, Nike is dropping a heater. Like I said, these are dropping the 10th. And usually the year starts off a bit slow, but for Nike to drop some heat like this, that's kind of crazy. I'm excited for it. I think the end of the year, the drops that we had this year was great. The shoes that's coming out is great, Gammas. Now we got the Wolf Grade 5s. So I'm looking forward to January, honestly. But this pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank y'all for watching. Peace.
You beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my day up here. The voice smell like